Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Today's quick tip is this gel pen for all of your marking for your wood projects, your woodshop projects. Kevin at the Smart Woodshop with so many great ideas. This is another one of his. He's got a custom cabinet shop, and he's got to do a lot of marking on plywood and on solid woods. And he saw me in all of my working of things on these videos, taking the time to erase marks and then sand. And he said, you know, with those thin plywoods, you want to be really careful that you don't oversand. And of course, I know that because I've oversanded. So he showed me in a little video how this works.
Hi, Ron. I just watched your most recent video on the new wings for your miter saw, and it reminded me of something that I don't know if you're aware of. Maybe the smart family would like to see. You were describing where you had made the wings and you were sanding them. You know, sometimes as a cabinet maker, I'm working with normal plywood and also sometimes some, you know, very expensive cherry, walnut plywood. And making tick marks and numbers on them just is a bit of a problem sometimes. I really don't like to, you know, have to sand stuff off, especially on the thin veneers on this plywood that you pay $200 a sheet for. I have a method that I use. Let me show you what it is. This is my plywood. And again, sometimes I have to make tick marks. I will make lines, layout lines. Do it on both. Sometimes I want to mark dimensions, just whatever I need to make. Just make marks on it. Of course, I'm going to have to sand all those off when I'm done. This is a pen by Pilot. It's called Frixion, F-R-I-X-I-O-N. They cost less than $2 a piece. And I've been using them for about a year in my shop, and they are indispensable. Of course, there are my tick marks, some circles, some lines. I've done the same thing on the cherry plywood. Then I'm going to simply take a heat gun. No sanding, and voila, all your tick marks are gone.
Magic. So he takes one of these pins and he makes his marks just like normal. And so it marks good. It looks like a pencil, but I think it's a gel pen, hard to say. But he makes his A-B marks and his lineup marks and everything. And then after he's ready to clean it up, time to get rid of the marks, instead of getting out an eraser or sandpaper, take a heat gun, and there you have it. Marks are gone. And I was able to do that in no more time than it takes to, probably less time than it takes to just erase. And then of course, after erasing, you still have those marks that you hit it with a sander. I'll put a link to the ones I got, the package I got with I think 6 pens and 6 refills in the description of this video down below. Hey, if you like dropping into the Smart Woodshop like this and learning these little things, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. See you on the next one.